It's first time, my birthday. We're here at Korean Restaurant. Yee! Where's the first person here in this restaurant? Ambo.
The meat is cooked already.
You just wanna
for some toppings inside.
Yeah.
just warm it up.
Serving spoon. Oh, that's
Mmm. Sure. Bukta nga.
ito ko sa kukuha. Nakukuha. Parang ano ka. Dali. Ang ganda dito. Oh. Look like your cake. Birthday girl.
Iganon mo naman sa kabila side.
Kasi ano? Nagpicturean mo na eh.
Is it hot already?
Not yet.
So the soup is not hot, Alex?
The
The soup is not hot? It's warm.
Right now it's warm, but it will be hot.
Oh, okay.
Then you want it hot?
No. Okay.
Okay.
Nice. Bye. Okay, picture kayo. Picture. Kelvin. One, two, three.
Hindi ka pa ako naka-on ngayon pala.
DJ, this is perfect for my gym thingy. It's bling bling. Sino mo nito? Girls, bling bling. Thank you. Okay, ano to? This is chopping board. Oh my God, I love this. Why? I'm collecting
She
diba?
likes collecting.
That's a good one. Obsidian yan. Meron ako dito. Para tayo. I like it. That's good for us. Positive energy. Or negative energy.
Me too. Look at this.
Meron ka rin. Wow. I like it. Like, masaan? You gave me this. I know. That's good. Pag may chukit this, no, kailangan mo. Figures. Hi, this is Sun. I got this from Japan. Let's open this. What is this?
this? Is this very in to from Japan? Like, what is this? What do I do with this? Oh my gosh.
Put on your phone.
Really? Aww. Okay, so attach me. Attach you. Why do I have to attach you? Where? Cute. Okay. Unboxing. Surprise! Let's see what's in here. What is this? I need. Oh, this guys. Oh. This one you attach to the phone. There's one here, Pacific Mall, right? This one? This is the expensive one in the Pacific Mall. Let's see. What I got. Yippee! Oh, why I'm getting black today? Another one! Lloyda just gave me this. The white black bracelet.
Wow.
I got that one.
For the evil thing. Oh, so cute penguin!
That's
Is it penguin?
a whale.
It's a orca.
Oh. It's a whale? I'm sorry, it looks like a penguin when you go like this. It's just that, oh yeah, it is whale! I thought it was a penguin, but it's so cool. Is this yours? Oh, so cute. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then this one. This one is the
My melody.
melody. Oh, my melody.
Sanrio.
Sanrio one.
Sanrio.
Yeah. This is very in the Philippines. Like this Sanrio ones like this is expensive, and then not only people that can afford can buy this because it's a collectible items, right?
So cute.
So cute. I got one here too. So now my bag, Lloyda gave it to me. See, this is from Terrace, I think.
Oh wow.
He just gave it to me today for my birthday. So, and then I'm gonna put Sanrio here. My melody. Oh my god, I'm turning into a little girl again. It's perfect. So cute. Oh no. Anyway, I'm going to Victoria, right? You know that.
Yeah. Okay. Cut.
Okay guys, we're gonna do an unboxing before I go to work. No, I'm working here right now. Look. Tina gave me this present. What's in here? Let's do the unboxing. She is so funny. Oh. What is this? Guys, tomorrow's my birthday. And my friend Tina gave me something. Wow, what is this? Individually wrapped. Yay, let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside us. What's inside the box? Same color as my gym bag. I hope it's something to do with the gym. Because I like gym stuff now. What's this? What's this? Oh my god. It's a gym stuff. He is so funny. Thank you, Tina. I love it. Oh wow, it's crazy. I'm gonna have a new gym bag. then this one, what is this? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna turn this off. Now I have to change my gym bag. Gee, what's in here? Check it out. What is this? Ultra my hand cream. Oh my god, I love it. Thanks, Tina. Oh my god, I ran out of moisturizing cream anyway. I mean, hand cream. This is so pretty. Thank you so much. Love it. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Cake. Thanks. Okay, look at these guys. My plants are growing. They're so cute. Look at this cactus right here. My orchids, blooming flowers. Look at that. So cute. And this one here, Elaine cut it by accident. And then she just put it in that soil. So it's okay. I guess they need some water. Look at that, so dry. Oh my goodness. I'm happy. My plants are also happy. Look, every day. Even my jade, so happy. It's so good. Look at that. Since I moved them to the pot, it looks so cute. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.